Facility management is undergoing a significant transformation. Technology is at the heart of this change. No longer just about bricks and mortar, facility management now leverages data and digital tools. This shift is revolutionizing how buildings are operated and maintained. Gone are the days of paper-based systems and reactive maintenance. Today's facility managers have access to an array of sophisticated software and hardware. These tools provide real-time insights into building performance, streamline operations, and enhance occupant comfort and safety. The adoption of technology is not just a trend, it's a necessity. As buildings become more complex and the demand for efficiency and sustainability increases, technology provides the tools to meet these challenges head-on. Embracing digital transformation empowers facility managers to optimize building performance, reduce costs, and create a more sustainable and user-friendly environment. The future of facility management is undoubtedly intertwined with the continued evolution and integration of cutting-edge technologies. The technology landscape for facility management is vast and constantly evolving. Several key tools have become indispensable for modern facility managers. CMMS software like Micromain centralizes maintenance information, automating tasks like work order management and asset tracking. BS integrates building systems into a centralized platform for intelligent automation and remote monitoring. IoT sensors collect real-time data, enabling predictive maintenance and reducing downtime. EMS track and optimize energy consumption, crucial for sustainability. The adoption of technology in facility management brings a multitude of benefits, positively impacting various aspects of building operations. Increased efficiency is one of the major benefits. Automation and data-driven insights streamline workflows, reduce manual tasks, and optimize resource allocation, leading to significant improvements in operational efficiency. Cost savings are another key advantage. Predictive maintenance, enabled by technology, minimizes downtime and extends asset lifespan, resulting in substantial cost savings on repairs and replacements. Enhanced safety is also a critical benefit. Real-time monitoring and automated alerts for potential hazards contribute to a safer environment for both occupants and facility staff. Improved data management cannot be overlooked. Centralized data storage and analytics provide valuable insights into building performance, enabling data-driven decision-making and continuous improvement initiatives. The facility management landscape is rapidly evolving, driven by technological advancements. The integration of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing is further enhancing the capabilities of facility management tools. AI-powered analytics can predict equipment failures with greater accuracy, while cloud-based platforms provide seamless access to data and facilitate collaboration among facility teams. The adoption of these technologies will be crucial for facility managers to stay ahead of the curve and meet the evolving demands of modern buildings. The benefits of integrating technology in facility management are undeniable. From increased efficiency and cost savings to enhanced safety and data-driven decision-making, technology empowers facility managers to optimize building performance and create a more sustainable and user-friendly environment. To explore the full potential of technology in your facility, take the next step and explore the various tools and solutions available. Embrace the digital transformation and unlock a new era of efficiency, sustainability, and occupant satisfaction in facility management. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more great content. For more details about Micromain CMMS, head over to our website at www.micromain.com. Thanks for watching.